Hello everyone, welcome to another video. We are at the beautiful local park that we've been enjoying lately, and yeah, we're doing an evening walk today, just a quick one. But look how beautiful and green it is. Oh, and the trees, the light dappling through the trees. Hopefully you can hear the trees rustling, the leaves rustling. It's a beautiful cool breeze. Let's take a quick little peek in here. This is so pretty. Looks like they're starting some trees. But look at this little forest meadow. Gorgeous. Sit you down here for a minute. Let's keep going. Look at these cool rocks. I think it was said that the person who developed these grounds chose this spot because of all the cool rocks that were already here. Look at this tree. That's a cool tree. Head this way. Oh, so pretty. Wow. The light through here is just gorgeous. And it smells so fresh. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous light. Oh my goodness. I love how dense the forest gets. Look at that, just beautiful. That one. Hi. I have to say, it is gorgeous here. Well guys, we're going to go just a little bit further. And then we're going to end it for the day. Just a short walk today. But wow, there's so much to see back here. It does look like we're getting closer to a major road. So you can kind of hear the road noise. It's just gorgeous this time of day. Look at that. There's a little bridge here. Let's just take a peek at that before we get out of here. Oh, this is a gorgeous shot. I can't stop. I can't stop taking photos. This is just such a gorgeous spot. Alright, you guys, we're going to end it here. This was so worth the trip. Short walk today, but a great walk. And we're going to see you next time. Bye.